Congratulations on your new opportunity. Before you can begin working, your employer may ask you to complete onboarding documents, employment agreements, legal forms, certifications, direct deposit information, and other required paperwork. While that might sound overwhelming, NextCrew makes the entire process simple, secure, and easy to complete. In just a few steps, you can review documents, sign forms electronically, upload required files, and submit everything from your phone or computer. Let's get started. Once your employer sends your onboarding package, you'll receive a notification by email and, in many cases, through the NextCrew mobile app as well. To begin, simply open the email and click the onboarding link provided. You'll be taken directly to your onboarding package, where you can review and complete all required forms. This process can be completed using the NextCrew mobile app or through a web browser on your computer, allowing you to choose whichever option is most convenient for you. The documents included in your package may vary, depending on your employer or staffing agency. For example, you may be asked to complete legal documents, employment agreements, direct deposit forms, company policies, acknowledgments, certifications, or other onboarding forms required by your employer. Before completing each form, be sure to carefully read all instructions and information provided. One of the biggest advantages of NextCrew onboarding is convenience. There's no need to print documents, download forms, scan paperwork, or send files back and forth through email. Everything can be completed digitally in one secure location. With NextCrew's pre-filled forms feature, your basic information is automatically carried throughout the onboarding package whenever possible. This means you don't need to manually enter the same information again and again on every form, helping you complete your onboarding faster and more accurately. Your onboarding package is organized into a guided step-by-step process, allowing you to complete documents one at a time in the correct order. If you're unable to finish everything in one sitting, don't worry. Your progress is saved automatically, allowing you to return later and continue right where you left off. NextCrew's Smart Forms technology makes completing documents even easier. As you enter information, you can view the actual document on the same page, making it easier to understand exactly what you're reviewing and completing. If a document requires your signature, don't worry. NextCrew's digital signature feature allows you to sign forms electronically directly from your mobile device or computer without printing any paperwork. If supporting documentation is required, such as identification, certifications, licenses, or other documents, you can upload them directly during the onboarding process. Everything can be submitted as part of the same onboarding package, making it easy to keep all required documents together in one place. As you move through your forms, take a moment to review your information carefully before submitting. Once a form has been submitted and you move to the next step, that form can no longer be edited. After all required documents have been completed, your onboarding package will be submitted automatically. You'll also receive copies of your completed documents for your records. If your onboarding package remains incomplete, you receive reminder notifications encouraging you to finish the remaining forms. These reminders help ensure your onboarding process stays on track and can be completed as quickly as possible. Onboarding is one of the most important steps in the hiring process, and NextCrew is designed to make it as simple, organized, and user-friendly as possible. And one final tip. If you haven't already downloaded the NextCrew mobile app, we highly recommend doing so. Once you're hired, your upcoming jobs, schedules, assignments, notifications, and communication will primarily appear in the NextCrew mobile app. The web application is generally used for onboarding and employment-related documents, while the mobile app helps you manage your day-to-day work experience after you're hired. Thank you for completing your onboarding through NextCrew, and welcome aboard.